Let us talk about the Griffin investing app. So, this investing app right here can automatically buy $1 of stock from the places you have shopped. So, you heard it right. If you want to buy from Starbucks, you get $1 of S-Bucks stock. It is a fun way to invest passively without thinking too much. So, Griffin is actually super beginner friendly and has fractional shares for easy diversification. The cons for this is that some users report app glitches and withdrawal delays, which is a very big no-no because delays can affect the performance of what you have spent. It also has limited control over investment. So the bottom line for this is that Griffin makes investing easy and fun for beginners, but if you want to have full control or access or avoid fees, it might not be the one for you.